AFK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. My new subscribers, welcome. Thank you to all my subscribers. Today's menu is one of my mom's menu. I won't tell you what it is. I want you to look and you tell me what it is. So check out my ingredients for today. Sweet potato, Jamaican sweet potato. This is coca, yellow yam. This is some dasheen, a piece of ginger, some fresh coconut. This is coconut milk, freshly grated and squeezed. This is some fruit soaking in white rum, sugar, my flour, both my flours that I'm using, sweet potato and all-purpose, and butter. This is my butter. And over here, these are my spices. Jamaican white rum, vanilla, allspice, ginger, vanilla, cinnamon, and these are some little essence, rum essence. So this is Jamaican rum essence, and this is coconut, and this is anise, and this is my rose water, salt, and nutmeg. I have fresh nutmeg also, but I'm going to use this. And here is my spice that I boil with cinnamon, pimento, and orange peel. I like it very old school. Please don't ask me my age, please. Don't let the looks fool you. Mace is the outer part of the nutmeg, and it's a combination, you know that red part of the nutmeg? And it's a combination between cinnamon and pepper. And it's a very strong flavor. It's similar to nutmeg, and with that hint of pepper. It's very subtle, and it can be overwhelmed. So guys, especially in the powder form. So don't use too much in your recipe. And the thing is, if you mix it in the beginning and you bake with it, it can be overpowering. All right, but I'll show you. This recipe today, I don't really use measurement because I usually just throw things in, and I'm gonna go as close as I can with measurements so you guys can follow the steps. All right, thank you guys for tuning in today. To all my Jamaicans, pick up yourself. Mama is from St. Catherine and Papa is from St. Mary. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FERGIE'S Kitchen. Let's get the ball rolling. Cocoa. I'm telling you guys, make sure you use the gloves when you're peeling the cocoa because it itches. The cocoa itches very bad, and also the yellow yam. But let me big up Right Choice on Crenshaw, Yaya on La Brea, and Naturalist on Washington, where you get all your Caribbean produce. I'm gonna do all my liquids, mix all my liquids together. And first I'm gonna put a cup and a half of sugar because you don't want it to be too sweet. You have to save some sugar for the top. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of rose water, anise. I'm gonna do a teaspoon here, my rum essence, 1 teaspoon. This is my coconut essence, 1 teaspoon. Guys, I'm not putting any rum in this because I have a lot of rum soaking the fruits already. So now I'm gonna add my spice that I made, my liquid spice. And I had about a half a cup. So guys, this is my last batch. This is the last batch, and I'm gonna use some grated coconut. I grated this by hand, and it's not squeezed. It has the juice in it and everything. guys, here is my potato already. This is all ready. So it's nice and smooth. I didn't have to grate it, as long as you know how to use your blender. So now this is my fruits that has been soaking in the rum, and I have to blend it because my daughter, she doesn't want raisins, she doesn't want this, and I'm about the taste. So I'm gonna throw it in the blender with a piece of ginger, and I left the cherries to use on my toppings. Smells so good. I want to tell you guys that since I started cooking in the kitchen, this is the first request that came in. Everybody wants me to make a potato pudding because they know what's up. So there is the fruits. So the video girl don't have any problem when she eating her pudding. I'm gonna mix this in. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, that little bell, ding-a-ling, touch that little bell in Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna add some butter, melted butter. This is a little less than a stick of butter. So guys, with my oven set at 350. This pudding takes up to 2 hours to bake. So I'm gonna put it in the oven set at 350, and I'm gonna cover it. Let me show you. Don't make it too tight. Just lightly cover. You know, I always say it in Jamaica, because we're gonna do fire bottom, fire top, and hallelujah in the middle. So not too tight, a little loose. We're gonna put it on the bottom. And I don't even have to check it. I'm gonna leave it for a whole hour before I take it out and do the sappy on the top. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been an hour, so here is the pudding, the first hour. So this is some butter. I'm melting some butter in that coconut liquid that I had. While that's melting, I'm gonna, the cherries from the mixed fruits, I'm just gonna blend it. In this, I'm gonna add some sugar also. Because remember, we didn't put much sugar in the pudding. I'm gonna add a big spoon of sugar. And now I'm gonna add my maize, 1/8 of a spoon of maize. So guys, now that it's melted, I'm gonna add my cherries. So Guys, remember, for your mace, that little red part on the coconut, you boil it. I usually just put it in my porridge. You just boil it to use it in your pudding if you don't have the mace powder itself. So now I'm going to make my sapi on the top. Because as you see, it's all baked on the side, hardened. You can try your best not to let it go down to the sides, because then it's gonna be stick or hard for you to take it out. Even though I love when it run down there, because I love scrape the bottom of the pudding. I'm gonna put it back in for another hour. You see this baby one? The baby one there, it will cool quick. Because pudding take long for cool. This not cut until tomorrow morning. Guys, when Mama make her pudding, she make it Sunday evening. So Monday morning she cut it and we get it with some saucy tea for our school or some mint tea. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, it's uncovered. Another hour. So before I present it, let me top it off with some good old white rum. So my FK guys, we're at the end of another segment. A long one. It actually took me 2.5 hours because my pudding is very thick. Alright, and I can't cut it. This is overnight. The little one that I've been dogging into. I told you I have to have a taster. And everyone talks about their pudding. Everyone says it's the best. I leave you to judge. Grab my recipes, guys. And there is Fergie's sweet potato pudding with Mama's twist and Aunt Cuddy and Miss Daphne and you name all of those old people. May you all of you guys that are not here rest in peace because of you guys why I'm able to do this today. So I hope you guys enjoy. And as you know, I feed the body, the mind, and the soul. So today's scripture will be coming from St. Luke 6:37. Don't judge, and you won't be judged. Don't condemn, and you won't be condemned. Set free, and you will be free. All right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, think about this. We are all tourists, and God is our travel agent. I love that. Who already fixed all our routes, reservation, and destination. Woohoo! I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and hit that little bell. Subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen and share all my recipe and tell everyone to come on because I have lots of crazy and you just never know where I'm going, right? And I just want you to know I love you and enjoy. Bye-bye.